Are you looking for the best cordless drill and impact driver? In this video, we will show 5 best cordless drill and impact driver. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill Set for Home DIY and Beginner Projects. Lightweight power drill with battery charger and 22 bits. Variable speed, 3/8" keyless chuck. Ideal for furniture assembly. Blue. Brand, AVID Power. Power source, battery powered. Maximum rotational speed, 550 RPM. Voltage, 20 volts. Amperage, 1.5 amps. Long-lasting battery for occasional users. AVID Power 20V lithium-ion battery pack comes with a real-time battery level display, which allows you to monitor charge status so you're never caught off guard during projects. Perfect for homeowners who use a drill a few times a month. This drill can only use the battery from AVID Power. Please do not use a battery from other brand or a battery with a larger capacity. Note, regardless of whether you use it immediately, please fully charge the battery after receiving the product. When the machine is out of use, remove the battery from the drill and recharge it every 3 months for longer life. 15+1 torque settings for delicate work. 15+1 torque settings, 280 inch libs, and variable speed, 0 to 550 RPM, provide precise control for driving in-out screws to prevent stripping, and drilling into wood, drywall, plastics, and even metal with ease. Max torque for drilling into wood, 13/16 inch, or steel plate, 3/8 inch. Note, this drill is not suitable for more than 25mm drill bits, and not for concrete/masonry walls.
Number 4. FADAKWALT Cordless Drill Set, 20-volt electric power drill with battery and charger, torque 30N, 21+1 torque setting, 3/8" keyless chuck, drill driver bits kit with LED. Powerful torque and 2.0 AH battery. FADAKWALT cordless drill features a 20-volt battery and delivers 30 Nm torque. The settings offer precise control for screwing in and out and for effortless drilling into wood, ceramics, plastics, and even metal. 21+1 position clutch. 21+1 torque settings, power drill can provide more precise torque or speed adjustment as required, which helps to prevent sinking a screw too deep, stripping out the head of a screw, or even breaking a screw shaft. Number 3. SEESII Impact Wrench 665 FT-LBS 900 Nm. 3300 IPM, 1/2 impact gun, high torque electric impact driver, cordless impact wrench with 21V 2.4 AH battery, 6 sockets and case for home car tire lug nut removal tool. Color, blue. Brand, SEESII. Material, plastic. Item length, 16 inches. Item weight, 1.2 kilograms. Professional brushless motor impact wrench, delivering an impressive 579 foot-pounds, 800 Nm tightening torque and 665 foot-pounds, 900 Nm loosening torque. With 3300 IPM and 2400 RPM, it installs truck wheel bolts in just 3 seconds and removes even the most stubborn rusted bolts from construction, machinery, scaffolding in 5 seconds. 90% more efficient than manual wrenches, while reducing 80% physical effort. Upgrade now to experience professional-grade impact gun, where power meets effortless operation. High-efficiency dual battery system. The SEESII electric impact wrench comes with two 21V 4/8H high-capacity lithium batteries, delivering 200% extended runtime for all-day heavy-duty operation. Features 30-minute rapid charging, up to 80% capacity. Charge during a coffee break, work through your shift. The 3 LED power indicator provides clear battery status for the power impact wrench optimal work planning. Number 2. 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench, 1400 Newton meters, 1032 foot-pounds, brushless high-torque impact gun, electric impact driver, 2.4 AH batteries, LED light, charger, 6 sockets, 3 variable speeds for car, pickup, mower. Color, yellow. Brand, TaskStar. Material, alloy steel, chromium vanadium steel, CRV, core, glass reinforced nylon. Item length, 7.24 inches. Item weight, 4.1 kilograms. 1032 foot-pounds high-torque impact wrench, brushless motor. The TaskStar 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench delivers a massive 1032 foot-pounds, 1400 Newton meters of peak torque.
Featuring a brushless motor and advanced battery technology, this half-inch impact gun provides strong, consistent power to handle even the toughest bolts in seconds. Whether you're loosening or tightening car tire lug nuts, tackling home projects, performing heavy equipment maintenance, or taking on industrial tasks, it gets the job done fast and reliably. 2x4000 AH battery and fast charger. TaskStar rechargeable cordless impact wrench comes with two 4000 AH battery packs, 21V max with 10 cells each, and a fast charger. Charger indicator shows red for charging, green for fully charged. Its cordless design allows you to work anywhere, anytime, without cord.
Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Power Tool Combo Kit. Includes 2 batteries, charger, and bag. Ergonomically designed. Work in tight areas with a compact design that gets into tough spots. Compact and lightweight. Both tools are designed to fit into difficult-to-reach spaces. The 1/4 inch impact driver has a length of 5.55 inches and weighs just 2.8 pounds, while the 1/2 inch drill driver measures only 7.5 inches and weighs 3.6 pounds. Brushless motor. Complete a wide range of applications with a high-performance motor power drill that delivers up to 300 UWO and an impact driver delivering up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque. Both the DEWALT impact driver and electric drill driver feature integrated LED work lights with a convenient 20-second delay, ensuring enhanced visibility in dimly lit or challenging work areas. One-handed loading. Keep one hand free with a 1/4 inch hex chuck that accepts 1-inch bit tips. Power drill cordless with 1/2 inch single sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength, making bit changes faster and more secure. 3-year limited warranty.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.